What's up, everyone? We just got into Bangkok. We came from Phuket and Riley. We were on the sun for a long time, so here in Bangkok we ain't got no much. We don't have much planned. We're probably just gonna hit some mall and enjoy the AC and the foodies there. So I'll see you guys out in the street in a bit. Hello, everyone. We just arrived in Bangkok. Got to our hotel, Eastin Grand Hotel. So we're checking in right now. Catch you all in the street, right? Right. Got to our room number 3105. Wow, this place is nice. Let's see what you got here. Got the shower. Wow, this place is so clean, all marble. Look at that.
Brand new.
Toilet. Really nice sink setup. Oh, a little closet here. Wow. Wow, this place is really nice. So grand, so clean.
It's brand
Very, very clean. Like they just built it yesterday.
It was just built last year.
Look at that. Look at the view, yo. Another room with a great view. Wow, let me check this out real quick. I'm going to open up this whole entire window so our audience can see what we're seeing from our bedroom. Look at that, guys. Look at that view. Holy mackerel. Wow, that's nice. Got a little table here for dining. Little sofa. Nice, comfortable looking bed too. All right, I'm in, man. So we are here in one of the malls. I don't know which mall it is. I'll find out later in the map and I'll put it down right here. But we're in the food court and we found this restaurant right here. We're gonna order some pad thai here. I heard it's a famous pad thai restaurant, I guess. And I'm gonna have a duck over rice at another restaurant and order some drink. I'll get back with you guys once we have the food on the table. So I'm gonna order this guy, 95 baht for mall food. That's not bad. So from this spot, I think the wife is gonna order that pad thai right there with the salad. Price is okay, not bad. Looks good. Check it out. Chef is cooking it up right now. Yummy, yummy. All right, my order came up. That looks pretty good, babe. Duck over rice, a little soup, and a little soy sauce with fresh chili. I'm gonna have to dig in. So I'm gonna go in for the first bite, babe. You wanna try some? There you go. Got the duck and the rice. It's good. Tastes like rolled duck, but the gravy's good though. Soup is refreshing. Try some, baby. Wifey dishes came up. This is the Tip Samay, I think the restaurant is called. This is their famous pad thai with shrimp and a little salad. Over, baby, to dig in. Wow, so the pad thai is inside, wrapped with inside the egg, huh? That looks so good. I'm not gonna film you though. I want to film myself. Yeah? Little salad inside. Is it good?
It's good, but I don't really care for the dry shrimp.
Oh.
So they use what is it? There's tofu in here, and I'm trying to look for the dry shrimp.
Let me try it.
No, I'm trying to look for the dry
They
shrimp.
have it in there?
Here.
Oh, the dry shrimp. Oh, I see.
I don't really care for that.
Let me take a bite. I'll tell you. Okay.
The flavor's good.
All right, going in my mouth. A little bit on the sweet side,
Yeah.
you know, but Different, definitely different than most of the Thai I've been in the street. All right, we tried it.
Yeah.
So we're here at Icon Siam. We just came in from the front entrance by the river. There's a lot of music out there, so I couldn't record. So I'm in here, the first floor, the food court floor. As you're entering the first food court floor, you've got a lot of really nice dine-in restaurant. Very cool ambient. So, but as you walk further back, you're gonna see street food and food on, boat and stuff like that. It's very interesting. But right here is just really nice restaurant food. Look. So here we are at Icon Siam in the food court area. They got a whole crocodile for you to eat. So I guess these are all crocodile skewer right here. Looking good. The crowd is unreal here inside this mall, inside this food court. You got people everywhere and all kinds of stalls, huh, Tagu? Look at that. Crazy, huh?
Crazy good.
Crazy good. You got that right. You want to eat everything and you're full. I'm full right now, but I want to eat it. Look at that. Skewer of all kinds. And apparently this mall is super clean. Everything's super legit. Very, very clean here. This is what I want. Pork hog. Wow, that looks good. Over here you got seafood, babe. You got lobster. Yeah, these are the freshwater shrimp. I had enough seafood from the other day. So we're gonna get this bone broth. Order right here for $280. Check it out. This is what we're gonna get on for dinner right now. Looking good. Okay, we got some egg noodle. It's like a wonton noodle soup. And there's the bone broth and some rice.
Tom yum.
It's tom yum flavor?
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna film while we're eating. I'll tell you after we're done. You know what? I lied. I gotta get this on camera because this soup is amazing. It tastes like a tom yum. I just added chili because my wife don't eat chili. They gave you chili on the side right here. I dumped a whole bunch of it. I'm just gonna go in and grab it. My hands are clean, so. Okay, all right.